Hey, this is Jenna Switzer, and this is the Therapy, Massage, Ball, and Mobility series. I'm super excited about what I'm bringing to you. It's incredibly useful if you're trying to reduce pain, increase range of motion, just feel good in your body. There's a lot of different options for you, whether you want to do a whole upper body or just specific to the shoulder. If you want to focus on ankles and feet, or maybe just your hands. If you have 15 minutes or if you have an hour, lots and lots of options for you to choose from. Throughout these classes, you'll be introduced to different possibilities of the massage. So maybe you like the sustained compression, maybe you like the movement through the joint, and you can adapt the practice to what you need. You can spend a little longer doing the things that your body feels good doing. So I've really benefited through the work of these massage therapy balls in a variety of ways. Honestly, I was never athletic growing up. I didn't really play sports, didn't do all the cool things that it feels like most yoga teachers did growing up, wasn't in gymnastics. And so when I came to my mat as a yoga practitioner a little bit later in life, I really wasn't as connected to my body as I wanted to be. And the therapy balls really help with that. So something as simple as like being able to contract a muscle, sometimes it would take me a long time to kind of connect my brain to the muscles. These therapy balls helped in a huge way. I'm able to release tension. I'm able to access strength. It helps to increase mobility. My range of motion has dramatically improved through the use of these therapy balls. Helps to prevent or mitigate injuries. I'm also just blown away by the way it can transform anybody. So if you're a weightlifter, it's incredible to help up your weights. If you're a yogi, it helps you move with a little more ease and grace and get into those little spots that are tricky to access in your yoga practice. If you're maybe injured or a little bit older, this is a great way to reconnect with your body, reduce scar tissue, and maintain mobility and age with grace. The first time you do anything with a therapy ball, it's gonna be a bit more intense than as you get used to the sensation and learn to adapt and modify for what your body needs. I am so excited to share this series with you. I look forward to practicing with you on the mat.